Hey guys, you wanted to know how to detox the body, so now I will take you to a little behind the scenes how I would personally do a detox shake. First of all, right now we have already 3 p.m. here. I'm still fasted, and that's the first thing I would recommend. Try to do some intermittent fasting, try to have some periods of fasting where your body can really do autophagy, can really kill all those bad cells, rejuvenate new and good cells. And then what I did is, you can see it here, this is some activated charcoal, some tablets. When I'm doing detoxing, I will personally take 4 to 6 tablets in the morning right after waking up, without eating anything, without drinking anything. This will make sure to just chelate and bind all those toxins and flush them out of the body. This will be more important later on, so keep that in mind. So let's construct a little detox shake. That's something I drink every day, not just for detoxing. So I will tell you a little bit what ingredients we can put inside here. Let's start with some basic stuff. So we will have a half an apple. Apples are just great for nutrients. They are great. They have quercetin and bioflavonols that help absorption of other nutrients, and they're also filling with all the pectins and fibers. That's great. We will have a banana for mostly taste and flavor. It gives the smoothie a nice consistency, makes it a little bit sweeter, but it's also full of potassium and full of minerals we need. Then we have some avocado here. This is just some normal organic avocado I have left over from yesterday's breakfast. You would also put that inside, and I would say those are the main basic ingredients. So first 3, we have the apple, we have the banana, and we have the avocado. The avocado, what it does is it helps us absorb all the fat-soluble vitamins. We need fats to really absorb them. It helps us with potassium, it helps us with many minerals, so it's a great addition, basic ingredient for a smoothie. Then what else do we have? The most important things are gonna come, so keep watching. Here we have some bee pollen. Bee pollen is less for detoxing and more just for getting nutrients in your body. When you're doing a detox and you're depriving yourself a little bit of too much food to give your digestive system some rest, then it's very important to add some very high nutrient dense food. Bee pollen is one of those options. I would just put a little bit inside here, the best the bees can do. Then we have some nuts. I try to vary my nuts. I always eat different nuts every day. Great nuts are Brazil nuts, walnuts, macadamias. Here are just some normal Brazil nuts. They are full of selenium, full of iodine, great for our thyroid health, keep our metabolism fast. We want our metabolism optimized for detoxing. And we have some additional fats, so the nuts go inside. Then we have our main detoxing ingredients. What is left here on our table? We still have these 4 ingredients. I will start with this one. This one here is Psyllium husk. Let me know in the comments if you ever had some Psyllium husk. Smells kind of like cardboard, but it also tastes like cardboard. But what it does is it's a fiber. It's a source of fiber that is extremely well in binding and chelating toxins, very similar to also the charcoal protocol I proposed in the beginning. This one we will add to our shake. The charcoal we took a few hours before the shake, because the charcoal also binds nutrients. The psyllium husk doesn't bind nutrients, it just binds toxins. And it helps the shake really go through our digestive system and take the toxins down with it. Recommendations here would typically be between 1 and 2 tablespoons. I just put a handful inside, and not much about dosing. Now it's getting more and more interesting, the ingredients. So now we have 3 main ingredients left. The first ingredient I want to talk a little bit about is spirulina. It tastes and smells very much like algae, very, very rotten, fishy taste. I'm not the biggest friend, but I don't really care about taste much, as long as it works and helps the body and heals the body. That's the most important thing. I think people are way too fixated on taste these days. So what does spirulina do? Spirulina can, again, bind heavy metals especially, so it can help flush those out. Spirulina also is great at supporting liver health, and the liver is our main detoxifying organ, is what we have to support. Spirulina also is full of nutrients, full of micronutrients, full of vitamins, full of minerals, and it's pretty much like, if you look at this tub here, this much is just pure protein. So spirulina is a great addition to any food. It also contains vitamin B12. So we add a teaspoon. For me, a teaspoon is just putting some inside. That's enough already. Then the last two ingredients, which are honestly the most important ones. Here we have some celery. Make sure your celery is always organic. Inorganic celery that is sprayed with pesticides, that is from GMO fields, is really bad for us, especially if you're making a smoothie like us. Like, we're not juicing, we're not leaving the outside there. We're really smoothing, like taking all of it into us. And what the celery does is one of the main detoxifying agents available to us humans these days. What it does is it has these special so-called chlorium cluster salts. And these sodium cluster salts, what they do is they completely destroy the toxins. They completely eliminate bad bacteria in our gut. And we want to make sure we have a healthy gut. So we need to try to make our gut microbiome really healthy, increase the amount of good bacteria, decrease the amount of bad bacteria, and try to kill the toxins. So we add a good amount of celery. This is the main ingredients, 12 to 16 ounces is what people drink when they're doing like celery juicing, celery cleansing. I'm not a big fan of that. I don't believe in that. I just believe that celery is a great detoxifying food. It's not a miracle. You need some other things for it to work as well, but it's a great choice. And then the last ingredient for our smoothie will be this one, aloe vera juice. And what does aloe vera juice does? Aloe vera juice, it really coats your digestive system. It gives like a coating to your stomach and a coating to your gut and to your digestive system, which helps make all of it a lot smoother. It really completely eliminates any kind of reflux, any kind of digestive issues. It eliminates bloating, and it's pretty much like a shock therapy for your gut. So aloe vera, always add at least 2 tablespoons. You can add big tablespoons to your juice, to your smoothie. And now, so just needed to grab some extra water because this is not liquidy enough. So we add some water. Again, don't add too much, add enough that you can drink it all up in one sitting and that it doesn't get too hard, the smoothie, and gets drinkable and enjoyable. You can close that goodness up and just give it a good mix. You can use any commercial normal mixer, it all works perfectly fine. Turn it on and let's go. Perfect. And now we can take this goodness and put it in our cup. And I try to drink this smoothie over the next 10 minutes. It's always recommended to drink it slow enough. Perfect dosages. Nice. And it tastes very, very sweet because of the banana and the apple. It still has some bite tastes from the aloe vera juice, from the spirulina. Nastrovie. But honestly, it's delicious. Like, if you go to any kind of smoothie restaurant, you won't get anything better than that. And what it does is completely detoxifies our body. Stay tuned for more videos of behind the scenes. If you like this kind of style where I kind of show you what I'm doing personally with the products that I use, then feel free to leave a comment there. Feel free to leave a like there, share it. Let's make the world healthy. Thank you very much. It's pretty good. I like it.